You think you can't sing, right? Anytime they tell you sing, you say, I can't sing. But deep down, you want to be able to sing. My darling, you think you can't sing, but the truth is that you can sing. You can already sing. The only thing is that you don't have the confidence. Let me shock you. If you can talk, then you can sing. So if you stay with me in this video, I am going to prove to you that you can sing. And I'm going to guide you through how to sing. Maybe just a simple something. And I will give you something that I always give my students. Because here at Grace Music Institute, we train people to find their unique voice. Some people come to us and they say, people have told me that I cannot sing constantly, but I believe that I can sing. I just want to be able to sing. Please help me. And let me shock you. At the end of their training, they begin to sing so well. Not just sing, but sing beautifully well. So in this video, I'll just give you some few tips that will prove to you that you can sing. Let's get started. What actually goes on? You need to understand that singing is a product of your body. It is produced from actions that happen in your body. It is an instrument that is produced from the vocal organs that you possess. At our institute, we will bring down these organs. We'll explain these organs to you. For example, you understand the larynx, the jaw, the soft palate, and all that. But for the sake of this video, I don't want to make it so complex. I'm just going to go straight to the point. Now, I'm going to pick one of those organs and explain to you how that organ can make you to start singing very well instantly. So before we start, I want you to get your phone, pause this video now, go to your record button and record yourself singing. Just sing anything that comes to mind. Have you done that? Good. Now that we've recorded ourselves, let's now warm up our voice. Now I'm going to guide you through a 3-note scale. I will use this. Now listen to it. Repeat after me. Do, re, mi. Beautiful. Let's do it again. Do, re, mi. Brilliant. So let's do it together. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi. Good job. Now let's go. Do, do, re, re, mi, mi. Again. Do, do, re, re, mi. Now repeat after me. Do, 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 do. Your tongue. Re, 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 re. Mi, 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 mi. Again. Do, 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 do. Come on. Re, 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 re. Then. Mi, 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 mi. Let's do it together. Do, 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 do. Re, 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 re. Mi, 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 mi. Now let's do. We're now going to fix words inside of it. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. Ma, 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 ma. Brilliant. Again. Ma, ma, ma. let's join it together. Ma, ma, ma. Now we're going to increase it to another key. Ma, ma, ma. Let's go further. Ma, ma, ma. I sing, you sing. Ma, 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 ma. Again. Ma, 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 ma. Beautiful. Let's go higher. Ma, 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 ma. It sounds like mama, mama, mama. That's it. Mama, mama, mama. You see that? Speaking and singing are just, singing is just like an extension of your singing. So as far as you can talk, you can sing. So mama, 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 mama. Can you do that? Let me hear you. Beautiful. Now use it to sing. Mama, mama, mama. They put a smile as you sing. Mama, mama, mama. Now, good singing needs you to have your tongue relaxed. So I need you to relax your tongue. Do like this. Bring out your tongue. Take it inside. Bring it out. Just say gibberish. 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 Funny, right? Now sing and let's see the difference. Mama, mama, mama. I love you. I love you. Now, simple song we're gonna sing. I love you. Do re mi. Then you now say, I love you. So that 3 notes we did, do, re, mi, then do, re, do. Do you see that? Let's do it together. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Did you have fun? So now you're singing, right? It's good. So comment that you tried what we did here in class and you enjoyed the singing, okay? So this video is a series. So today is day 1 and tomorrow I have something exciting for you that when you watch it, it's going to help you to sing better. If you want to learn more about how to find your voice, watch this next video.